Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you exactly how to activate your Stan TV account in Australia. Follow these easy steps to start streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Visit the Stan activation website first, open your preferred web browser, and go to stan.com.au activate. This is where you'll begin the activation process for your Stan account. Sign in to your Stan account. If you already have a Stan account, enter your login credentials, including your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by choosing a subscription plan that works best for you. Enter your activation code. Once you are signed in, you will be prompted to enter the activation code. This code can be found on your TV screen if you're using a Stan-enabled device like a smart TV, streaming box, or gaming console. Simply copy the code from the screen and paste it into the activation page on your browser. Confirm and activate. After entering the code, click on the Activate button to confirm the activation process. Wait for the page to load, and you should see a confirmation message saying that your device is successfully activated. Start streaming. Once the activation is complete, you're all set to start watching your favorite shows and movies on Stan. Open the Stan app on your device and enjoy unlimited entertainment. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like the video if this guide helped you. Enjoy your streaming experience with Stan TV.